And 2014 Subrau BRZ pusher start, and one of the remote control is not working, and I need to change the little battery in here. So they have a key here to use. What you do, just press this down, you take out the keys out. The key just for when the remote's not working, you can use the key to open the door. So when you take out the key, then you just put the screw and just be gently, don't get too hard. And you can open a little bit like that. Okay, so when you open it, make sure this side, keep it this side like separate, because this side with the remote here, so leave this side in here. So right here is your batteries inside here. It's a tiny battery, so just be careful to lift this up. When you do that, they'll just pump it up. Okay, what I did, just be gently. So you change the battery. Okay, now, okay, when you get out, there's your little battery right here. So this one, it's a 3-volt battery, and what's it called, CR1632. Okay, so I had to go and get the battery, and then I want to get the battery, and then I'll put it back, and then I can text for you. Just be really careful. You know, got the little batteries out. One, set the new one. So make sure you put it back with the same way. Alright, put the new one in. Okay, put that back in here. Then put the top it down. Okay, when you put a new battery on, you push it, you see the red light. So we're gonna take outside and then test it. Make sure it's working. There you go, it's working. Lock, unlocks, and